point Bravo 4, port short of Charlie.
Holding point Bravo 4 to hold short of Charlie, Golf Alpha Charlie.
Lotus 563, checking your phone now at 6,000 feet.
Lotus 563, information on flight decimal 1, good day.
Information 1 to flight decimal 1, good day. Lotus 563.
Today, Sierra Bravo Foxtrot coming up left downwind 05, traffic on final visual.
Zulu Sierra Bravo Foxtrot with number 1 traffic on final visual, join final, runway 05, report final.
So you join the report final 05, Sierra Bravo Foxtrot.
Alright, we've got our taxi clearances and we are taxiing down to Bravo 4, which is further down out that way. And there is an airline just landing now, which is why we've been told to hold short of Charlie.
System test okay.
Copy. But yeah, there is quite a number of flights that are regarded the shortest flights in the world. And yeah, I just do not have a list for it. I'd like to believe Charles Prince to RG or the other way around, which is what we're doing today. RG to Charles Prince is up there on that list for shortest flights. Let me know in the comment section. Yeah, what you think is the shortest flight. It's the full shot of
Bravo clear from RG to Masasa, direct 6,000. Clear of all prohibited areas.
Active RG to Masasa, 6,000, clear of all prohibited areas. Zulu Lima Echo Bravo.
Zulu Lima Echo Bravo, read by correct, but ready for lift.
I'll call you ready for lift off, Zulu Lima Echo Bravo.
And there's traffic, helicopter traffic, which is also low level traffic to pay attention to. The only other one that I'm here right now is traffic on base. Probably gonna have to wait for that to land as well.
We'll go over Charlie to taxi Bravo 4 behind Springbok 022. Airbus 320 taxing in, report ready to copy ATC.
We'll cross Charlie behind the taxiing in A320 and you can go to the ATC.
We'll go over Charlie from RG, cleared direct South Springs, 6,000, clear of all prohibited areas. Outside budget runway 05, left 10.
RG Charles Prince 6,000 foot, clear of all prohibited, departure runway 05, left 10, Golf Alpha Charlie.
We'll go over Charlie, read by correct, report ready for departure.
Are you ready next? Golf Alpha Charlie.
Down, Zulu Lima Echo Bravo is not ready for lift off.
Zulu Lima Echo Bravo.
Alright, the A320
Standby.
is
Crossing
crossing now.
Bravo Foxtrot, runway 05, clear to land, wind 020 degrees at 04 knots.
Clear to land 05, Sierra Bravo Foxtrot.
Zulu Lima Echo Bravo, cleared liftoff, wind 0 degrees at 03 knots, clear of runway. Report on track with estimates.
Active lift off, wind complete, clear of the active. I'll call you with estimates. Zulu Lima Echo Bravo.
So African Airways Airbus A320
7 requesting
and a 787 in the distance.
Zimbabwe 8447, standby break from board, direct to report your number on board endurance.
We have 3 hours endurance and on board we have 6 diagonal 7 flash computing.
Roger. Zimbabwe 8447, start approved, expect runway 05.
Copy, start approved, then 05, number 8447.
Zulu Lima Echo Bravo is airborne and estimating Masasa 3537.
Zulu Lima Echo Bravo, Roger, report Masasa inside.
I'll call you Masasa inside next to Zulu Lima Echo Bravo.
And we've just gone into beta because this place is sort of downhill. So instead of burning brakes, we just have that blade angle at an angle, they call it beyond effective thrust angle, where it's not creating any thrust. But yeah, we're getting to Bravo 4 now, and I am happy with the aircraft. We can take off.
Capital Golf Alpha Charlie, Bravo 4, ready departure.
We'll go over Charlie, runway 05, line up and wait.
Line up and wait 05, Golf Alpha Charlie.
Zulu Golf Alpha Charlie traffic, helicopter Zulu Lima Echo Bravo, was able on RG Masasa at 31, 6000.
Copy, helicopter traffic outbound to Masasa. Golf Alpha Charlie.
Zulu Golf Alpha Charlie, runway 05, clear takeoff, wind 360 degrees at 04 knots. Report on track with estimates.
Clear for takeoff, runway 05, we'll call you on track with the estimates next. Golf Alpha Charlie, thank you.
Zulu Lima Echo Bravo, traffic,
Lining
Zulu
up
Golf
at
Alpha
05.
Charlie, RG Houston 6000 will be departing shortly.
And rolling start.
Copy traffic and I have Masasa in sight.
Zulu Lima Echo Bravo 1187.
117, that's again next.
Roger.
Takeoff power is set. Alright, one thing I can assure you is this flight is going to be a bumpy one. Temperatures are on the rise, so yeah, we're going to enjoy the bumps as we fly over the CBD just now. We'll let you know all that.
And Mugabe Tower, Golf Alpha Charlie will be estimating Charles Spencer time 0940.
Zulu Golf Alpha Charlie, copy, footprints inside.
That's inside next, Golf Alpha Charlie.
Zulu Lima Echo Bravo is on the ground and good evening.
Zulu Lima Echo Bravo, good day.
So our helicopter traffic that we're worried about is on the ground now. So we should be all good. We'll still have a lookout for any other traffic, but the reported traffic, there isn't anything. And we've just started monitoring Charles Prince just so that we get to know what's actually happening outside.
Stand by 447.
You see how bumpy it is, eh?
Embedded 447, takes loading point Bravo 5, runway 23. Copy Bravo 5, runway 23, embedded 447.
And so as I mentioned earlier on, the objective of this flight is, obviously, we want to see if it actually contends as one of the shortest flights in the world of aviation. Yeah, between Charles Prince and the main airport, Harare. It's about 6 to 7 minutes, obviously depending on the winds of the day. And yeah, it's a nice scenic flight. We get to see the CBD off to our right shortly. It's going to pop up just now.
Via Romeo Charlie, flight level 180. Request level change en route after departure runway 23. Maintain runway track until advised. Destruction, Como, Robert Charlie, flight level 180. Off departure runway 23, we'll maintain runway track until advised. 447. Embedded 447, red back correct, report ready. Ready next day, 447.
Golf Alpha Charlie with Charles Prince inside.
Let's go, let's again.
That's Golf Alpha Charlie with Charles Prince inside.
Zulu Golf Alpha Charlie, 1189.
1189, clear runner, Golf Alpha Charlie. Prince Tower, good morning. Zulu Golf Alpha Charlie with you on the handover.
Zulu Golf Alpha Charlie, good morning, Prince Tower.
Takeoff for Charlie Charlie 208 out of RG Mugabe International for yours, 6 miles to run, requesting joining and landing instructions, see what you feel inside. 1 on board, and I'll be landing with 2 hours 20 on the fuel. Go for Alpha Charlie.
Go for runway 23,
Go for Alpha Charlie, joining the reporter, wide right base runway 06. Surface wind 090 degrees, 06 knots, QNH 1028.
Copy your surface data to join by the wide right base, runway 06. Go for Alpha Charlie.
Yeah, we're being thrown around, guys. Not comfy at all. But yeah, one thing they don't tell you as you start your training is just how numb you grow to turbulence. And just moderate turbulence we're talking about. I understand there's quite a number of people that have got a strong fear of flying. And yeah, to them, turbulence is not something they enjoy or something they want to hear of. So if you're one of those people, let me know. But yeah, the more you fly, the more you do this, the more you sort of grow numb to it. So we're always chasing smoother air, just for the plane and the comfort of the passengers. But we're sort of used to it. It doesn't mess around with you as much. So yeah, we're gonna start preparing for our landing into Charles Prince. Airfield is in sight. We're joining on a right base for runway 06. So yeah, we're gonna see Charles Prince off to our right again as well, as we descend into Charles Prince.
Go for Alpha Charlie is on a wide right base for runway 06.
Go for Alpha Charlie, report final runway 06, number 1.
Copy final, runway 06, number 1. Go for Alpha Charlie.
Wind is 090, it's 6 knots on a runway 06, so we do expect a bit of a light crosswind. Guess we'll see how it goes. Also see how short we can land. We're empty and quite low on fuel, so it's a very light aircraft today. Those who know Charles Prince, they know there's the first taxiway Bravo. See if we can make that. We're not going to push for it, we're not going to fight it, we don't want to be flat spotting wheels, you know. But yeah, if we can, we'll try and get it.
Go for Alpha Charlie, turning final.
500. Go for Alpha Charlie, 06, clear to land, service wind 090 degrees, 05 knots, vacate convenient right to security.
Land runway 06, vacate convenient right for security. Go for Alpha Charlie.
Doesn't help that we're being thrown around. Yeah, we'll focus on this landing. See how good we can make it. Not a chance we're going to make Bravo. But we're going to make runway 1432. Not bad. To put in that crosswind correction. Yeah, fun times. Tell me, Is that the shortest flight you know of? Or maybe not. Another thing with these turbine engines is you've got a 2-minute cool down period from applying any power or being in high idle. So we also try and keep a bit of some momentum on them. See if we can taxi to the parking on low idle and idle on the power lever. That way we would have already started counting on 2 minutes, and by the time we get to our parking spot, we are close to shutting down or already past the 2 minutes. I think we've made it. So thank you very much. Thank you very much for flying with me today. It's been an amazing one. You found me at the end of my day. I did a few sectors, 5 to be precise, but 5 pretty short ones. And yeah, now I'm in Charles Prince at what is that? At 12 o'clock local time. So that's good, being able to be done that early in the day. That's always amazing. And our 2 minutes is up, so we can actually switch off. We'll catch you on the next one. Cheers for now.